Hey everyone, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with putting us some mustard on some pork spare ribs. You guys, I got in this mood early this morning because I want to put me some pork spare ribs on the smoker. You guys, y'all know I have a weapon. But anyway, that don't even matter. Okay, and yes, I wanted me some good old southern ribs, and I ain't want to buy them. So I'm gonna add me a little seasoning. Of course, go with the seasoning that you like, you guys. I'm gonna add me a little Cajun on here. Yes, just like that. And yeah, we're gonna add us a little black pepper. I don't know if I got this going right. Yeah, black pepper, that's what it is. And then we're gonna add us some garlic powder, you guys. We got some garlic powder. Just like that. So we're gonna add it on there. Garlic powder doesn't matter how much, right? And now let's not forget the seasoning salt. You guys, check out that seasoning salt. Yes, baby. And we're gonna put us a little soy sauce on here as well, because soy sauce tenderizes the meat, in case you did not know. But anywho, we're gonna mix this on up in here. Now, we're not gonna do the other side with a little mustard, but we're just gonna enjoy this side, right? And just rub it on in there. Now, you can wear gloves if you like, and if you don't, I ain't mad at you. Your kitchen, your rules. So, anyway, we got us another rib, but we're not gonna say anything about it until it comes to surface. But anyway, okay. So, yes, we're gonna season this side up with a little black pepper, a little garlic, okay, in rotation, garlic seasoning, and yeah, we're gonna add a little seasoning salt on there, right? Of course. And let's not forget the soy sauce, okay? Because we're gonna let these ribs marinate for approximately 3 to 4 hours, okay? Because I'm not in a rush to put it on the grill, but it is going on the grill. Well, not the grill, the smoker. Okay, because I look at them both the same. Just one is a little longer, right? And the smoker, I love it because it don't burn my meat. I know how to set a smoker. Okay. As well as the grillers too. But anywho, let's go and get the other rib and put it on up here. Yep, just like that. Okay, because see, that's the rib y'all didn't see. Okay, and I season it on up ahead of time. Y'all see my little meat right there? That's my taste testing meat. Who loves taste testing meat? I like to cut it off, and that way I could taste what my rib gonna taste like. You know what I'm saying? They were so darn good, I wanted to take them off there and I can sell them, okay? Because they was on point. Y'all see it? Right there. Boom. Right there. Check out the smoke on these ribs, you guys. Oh my God, they look so delicious. I mean, it's tender and on point. Yes. So, you guys, if you like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, you're going to see a lot of things, at least good southern food, you guys, or a southern meal. But anywho, y'all, check out the clip of my grandbaby. She is coming up. Yes, look at that. And there she goes. And look at her dancing. Her 5 months old, you guys. Come check out Cooking with the Mrs. Jonesy. And you can also catch me on Cooking with Miss T, as well as Keeping Up with the Joneses. You guys, all three of them is my name. But anyway, I'll see you on the next video.